Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome to my beauty stash. Thank you guys so much for joining me here today. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you're notified every time I have a new video upload. I am so excited to share with you another new mini series entitled Concealer Combat. For the next few days, I'll be trying out 2 different concealers and seeing which one holds up the best. All of the concealers that I'm going to be trying are the latest concealers to hit the beauty world. The concealers that I'll be trying out each day will both claim to do very similar things. And I'm going to do my best to make sure that I give you one high-end and one affordable in each of these wear tests. Before we begin today's concealer combat, let me just give you guys a background on my skin. I'm 37 years old and I do have normal to oily skin. My major concerns right now are my large visible pores and also the fine lines that are under my eyes. I am always trying new foundations, new concealers, and I'm always looking to see what works best with each other. So I am so happy that I get to try out all of these new concealers this week and show you guys what works and what didn't. And hopefully you guys can find the perfect concealer that's gonna work best for your skin.
So for today's concealer combat, I'll be going in on the left side of my face with the Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer. And on the right side of my face, I'll be going in with the CoverGirl TruBlend. The Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer retails for $26 and you get 0.25 fluid ounces. There are also 20 different shades to choose from. The CoverGirl TruBlend Concealer retails for $10.99 and you do get 0.33 fluid ounces. There are 14 different shades to choose from on the Ulta website. Now, let me give you some specifics on both of these concealers. Both the Makiage BFF Concealer and the CoverGirl TruBlend Concealer claim to be full coverage, long wearing, erase skin imperfections, conceal dark circles, easy to blend, and provide a matte finish. Now, the one main difference between these two products is that the Makiage Concealer comes in a pump form and the CoverGirl TruBlend comes with a large doe foot applicator. The Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer is available on the Makiage website, and the CoverGirl TruBlend Undercover Concealer is available wherever CoverGirl products are sold. I picked mine up at Ulta online. Now, let's go ahead and get ready for Concealer Combat. To apply both concealers, I will be using a damp beauty sponge. The left side of my face will have the Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer, so let's go ahead and start with that one first. Give it a good shake. I'm going to start with that much. I am in the shade 2.5. Now I think I'm going to try for my under eye and just use my finger since I already have some of the product on my finger. And I'll do the same for the CoverGirl side. This feels very creamy on my under eye area and it does look brightening. Definitely a little bit of this product is going a long way. You want to make sure that you apply light pressure whenever you are going in under your eye, and use your ring finger. That's usually the finger that provides the lightest amount of pressure. For this other area, I'm just going to use my sponge. It kind of does dry a little bit quick, so you want to just kind of maybe work in sections. Don't dot it all over the way I did, because yeah, it is drying down pretty quick. Okay, so this is the Makiage, and this, we don't have anything. What do you guys think? I think it did a good job with brightening. I do see it already kind of settling a little bit over here, but not too bad. Let me go ahead and try the CoverGirl TruBlend now on this side of my face, and then I'll see if I need to touch up on both sides. Now let me just try going in with that first. I do feel like this one is a shade or two lighter. The old Makiage kind of looks more of like my skin tone, and this one is a little bit lighter. Okay, so this is the Il Makiage. This is the CoverGirl. Definitely this CoverGirl is a lot brighter. And I'm not really sure that I'm liking the way it is sitting on my pores. I feel it's kind of like accentuating them right in here. And also on my under eye area, I feel like it really just kind of sank into those little fine lines that are there. And that for me, that's my problem area. This is a major concern for me, this area right here. I think it did a good job with brightening. I think the coverage looks fine. I do feel like I need a little bit more coverage on the Il Makiage side. I'm going to go back in just a little bit. Just do a little bit for the CoverGirl side as well. CoverGirl, Il Makiage. I am ready to go ahead and set this concealer in place using some translucent setting powder. And the powder that I'll be going in with is one of my holy grails, and this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. To set the perimeter of my face, I'll be going in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. To mesh everything together, I will be going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the skin. I feel like my pores on this side are more accentuated than they are on this side, and I know the concealer kind of got dragged down a little bit on both sides, but I feel like this one, I can really see them. I think I'm actually not a fan of the way either one of my eyes is looking. I feel like the product has really just sunken into those fine lines on both sides. And up here my forehead looks smooth. I do feel like maybe this is the foundation right here, my smile lines. But my nose looks fine. I don't see a problem there. So we are going to give this concealer a good 10 to 12 hour wear test today. I have Il Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer on this side, and then on the right side I have the CoverGirl TruBlend Undercover Concealer. So we shall see which one of these is going to win today's concealer combat. I will be doing periodic check-ins with you guys throughout the day, giving you some updates. The check-in time right now is 7:31. So I will see you guys in a few short hours. Have a great day or night, and I'll be back in a bit. Hey guys, so it's been 4 hours of this concealer combat, and on the left side I'm wearing the Il Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer, and on the right side I am wearing the CoverGirl TruBlend Undercover Concealer. And I have to say that I think I am liking the Il Makiage side better than I am the CoverGirl. I noticed just a little bit more of settling into fine lines over here on my right eye versus my left eye. I think it's wearing fine on the forehead, on my chin, everywhere else it seems to be doing fine. But I do notice a little bit more on the CoverGirl side. So I will be back in another few hours to do another check-in. Hope you guys are staying safe. Have a great time, and I will see you all in a bit. Hey guys, so it has now been about 12 hours of this concealer combat for today. On my left side, I have the Il Makiage BFF concealer, and on my right eye, I have, or right side of my face, I should say, I have the new CoverGirl TruBlend Undercover Concealer. And
I don't like the way my skin looks at all. I guess I'm just not having a good makeup day, guys. My eyeliner has smeared. My foundation has just worn off like everywhere. This concealer, guys, on both sides, has really been settling into my fine lines under my eyes, as you can see here. It's kind of even caked up a bit, like right in here. This is the Makiage side. This is the CoverGirl side. I'm not having a good makeup day, and I am not liking the way the concealer looks on either one of my eyes, on either sides of my face. It's settled already, you know, kind of immediate into my smile lines, and I'm not sure if that was the concealer, the foundation. I'm wearing the Makiage foundation, so, you know, I don't know. I'm not happy with either, and I don't feel comfortable recommending either to you guys right now. It's just not a good day for me. I don't know if it's me, my skin, or if it's just that the products, they just aren't working well together. But I am not a fan of the way my concealer looks at all. So for the sake of this concealer combat, I think we have a tie, because I'm not recommending either one of them to you guys as of this moment. If things change, if I try them tomorrow or a few days later, I will definitely update it down below and leave it in the description box. But as of right now, nah, I think you can find a much better high-end concealer, and I think you can find a much better drugstore concealer. And I have some more concealer combat coming in the next couple days, so make sure you are on the lookout for that. So for this concealer combat today, 0 points. Nobody's getting anything. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. And I will see you all very soon. Bye, guys.